Hey, what's going on, everybody? I decided to throw this video together for people who follow my work, and I wanted to show you guys another side of my company that a lot of you have never seen. Actually, nobody's ever seen it because while I'm doing this, I'm too busy to eat or sleep, let alone videotape a documentary of what's really going on. But the last time I went on a trip, I decided, I do this too much to waste this experience and just keep it all to myself. So the other side of my job is that you guys have all seen me do consultant work in my shop, testing and things like that. I build a lot of burners. I sell burners of all different types and things like that. But the other side of my job is that I often am called to the location where my equipment will be implemented. And I am called on to get the staff in those locations up and running and familiar with the equipment. Sometimes I help people build wild ideas and machines that they have designed to help them save money in a process, and I have to go out and show them how to use the contraption that I've built for them. Alright, so it usually starts out like this. I get a guy who's got a unique problem that he needs solved that most companies wouldn't dare touch, at least not for under $75,000. So I'm helping these guys out. They needed a burner that would operate very high in the air in cold weather on race oil. So next thing I know, I'm on a freaking airplane. 5 o'clock that day. This is a different day. They called me the next day, needed me to fly down there right away. I had 4 burners I had to build and ship before I could do this. Busiest day of my life. I don't think I slept for 30 hours. Freaking crazy. We were definitely on the crab, as they say out in the maritime world. So here I am, headed to Idaho. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And today was the busiest day of my life. I had to build some stuff, get it shipped, had to pack, had to get a shower, had no time to eat, had to do 100 miles an hour to the airport that was an hour away from my house. Fun, but I wouldn't have it any other way. So here we are, we're in the air. About 6-7 hours later, I'm finally close to my destination. I have an hour drive, ironically, once we hit the ground, and then I'm off to a mine to help some guys with a piece of equipment that they've built. They have decided to switch from propane because the cost of propane was just killing them. So today's mission is going to be install some burners and get them working together off the same pump. We're going to have 3 burners running at the same time, and they're all going to be at different elevations. So the fuel pressure, this and that, just a total nightmare. I am scared as hell right now. But anyway, here we are. We're at the mine. We've got the first burner going. Within the half hour, I had things pretty much where I knew I was okay. 2 hours into it, I got all the burners running. So I'm happy. What we're looking at right here is a temporary windshield that we threw up in a hurry to determine whether or not the flame was being buffeted by entrained dust particles or by the wind. So just a quick little test shield. Turns out we think it was a little bit of both. This is a double barrel Godzilla burner. Very powerful piece of equipment. That's heating the bottom of the device. Turns out we want to move that to the front of the unit though. This is the second burner. This is the midway. It's about head height. And up about 10-15 feet in the air here up the ladder is the top burner. Now I can't discuss what this machine does, guys, but I just thought I'd take you along with a little bit of the types of things I get to do. But you guys never get to see it because I'm so busy and my life's so frantic these days that I don't have time to take these clips. But this time I thought I'd show you guys, not to rub it in your face and show you how lucky I am, but damn, I'm blessed. I just can't believe I get to do this for a living, guys. So just wanted to share that with my longtime friends. I get to see some amazing things out there on the road too, guys. I mean, look at that view. This is so awesome. I've drove through pretty much all the mountains, I think, by now. I've been all the way to New York and back. So here I am, just getting ready to land. So that was pretty much a quick in and out job, you guys. I only worked 5 hours that day. I made about $600 you know, so not a bad day for me. But for the most part, luckily the clients paid for the travel and all that, or I really would have lost it. But it was definitely an interesting experience. So the time that I'm not actually working and that I am on the road or in an airplane, I just kind of chalk that up to enjoying life for once. Because man, I tell you what, all I do at this day and age is work, and I really don't want it any other way. I've had enough fun in my life to last a couple of people a lifetime. So it's time to get to work, man. I'm on the crab.